In this video, we are going to review how to assign or set permissions for resources and activities within your plan. You need to be in the course that your plans are housed in. Click on Plans. Go to the topic or the unit where you have your plan. In other videos, we have covered already how to get to this point. But now that we have a plan with resources and activities already attached to that plan, anything inside of here can be, the permissions can be changed so that there can be individual students or groups of students. So the way you do that is you click on your resource or your activity. And here we'll have 3 dots. Click on Permissions. And you want to select who can view this element. These two who can edit are people that can actually change the components of that resource. So you just want to see who can view this element. Again, you can have a whole group that we've already set up. That was in a different video. Or you can click on Participants and have specific participants that can access this content. Again, you can also just add a group and then hit Save. So now this group of people are the only ones that are going to see this content. Let's go back to that plan. You'll need to click on each resource or activity, click on Permissions, and sometimes it's a little different for each type of resource or activity that you have. So you just want to be very careful with how you select each of these. For this test, I believe this was the test that we did, you want to see who can submit answers, write text, contribute to the actual participate in the test versus who can just see the element. So you can change that as well, set those permissions. For the discussion, same thing, 3 dots, permissions, who can add posts and start new threads, who can view reports. So you just want to, for the students that you'd want in that discussion would be this here. So by default, all of your plans and all of your resources and activities are viewed by everybody in the course. That's the default setting. So it's only if you want to restrict or limit who has access to these components is when you would have to go through this step of having to click on the resource, click on the 3 dots, and go to Permissions. I hope that helps clarify how to set permissions for plans and resources. And I just want to remind you, the title, the date, the description, the learning targets, and the standards can be seen by everybody in the course. And resources that you do not, and activities that you do not set permissions for, can be seen by everybody in the course. Hope that helps.